Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record on Samsung Galaxy A14. In this device there is no by default screen recorder, but we can install any screen recorder from Play Store. Tap on search, tap here, write X recorder and search. Tap on this application and install it. X recorder is installed, simply open it, cross, enable the floating icon, enable it, go back, allow all, again allow. As you can see here, record option is showing, but I will record from this option. Tap on X recorder icon. From here you can start recording. Allow the audio access, start now. As you can see, my recording is started. Now if you want to pause the recording, tap again on X recorder. Now if you want to pause the recording, now tap again on X recorder and simply pause it from here. My recording is paused. Now if you want to pause the recording, simply tap on X recorder and pause it from here. As you can see, my recording is paused. Now if you want to continue the recording, then again tap here, my recording is continued. Again tap on X recorder icon. From here you can use pencil like this and simply cross it from here. Now let's save the recording. Now let's go in gallery, go in recent. As you can see here, my recent recording. This is how you can screen record on Samsung Galaxy A14. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.